Hi, I'm Greg with VertDesk.com. Today we're going to show you how to start up your VertDesk. After you've completed the assembly of your VertDesk, you'll be ready for the startup procedure. If you have a programmable switch, you'll see there's 3 dashes that are on your screen. The first thing you'll need to do is lower your desk to a bottom position. You can press the up or down button and then you'll see that there is a number that illuminates on the screen. The desk is now fully initialized and will operate normally. And that completes the startup procedure for the VertDesk. If you have any other questions, please feel free to visit VertDesk.com. Thanks for watching.